Hello and welcome to this kit review video. I recently built the Vietnam Aces Volume 2 F4 Phantom made by Hobby 2000. Now, I'd never built a model kit from Hobby 2000 in the past, and I was absolutely blown away with the quality of this. The whole kit builds into a fantastic little model. It's very accurate, nice crisp details. All the spur was very clean. There wasn't barely any flash to clean up on the thing, and all the parts fit precisely and neatly together with no fudging or having to push or overly kind of cram the bits together. There was none of that. Everything fit exactly as it should fit. A couple of little bits to watch out for on the build. The undercarriage is delicate. You know, that's horses for courses. Every aircraft in this sort of scale, the undercarriage is delicate. You've got to cut a hole to get this sensor module underneath. I forgot to do that. Thought I could do it later. No, you can't. They ask you to do it when you need to do it. Do what they tell you. They know what they're doing. Another bit is the aerial on the top. You need to drill a few holes for that. I didn't do it at the time. Thought, oh, I'll fudge it in later. No, you need to do it when they tell you to do it. But really, I thoroughly enjoyed building this kit. It went together really easy, and I think it took me, well, it was probably an evening to assemble the whole thing. All the parts fit perfectly, and like I say, very little flash, nothing really to clean up. A few things that I think this kit does especially well is the decals. If it will focus, there are hundreds and hundreds of them in this kit, and they all say what they're supposed to say. As tiny as they are, these images are probably bigger on your screen than they are in the model in real life. It's just, I think it's beyond the focusing range of this camera. But I think they really help make the model kind of thing. One of them, I can't remember if it was no step or no push. It's marked wrong. It's the wrong number. That's it. It's the only real error in the entire manual to make it. So just be aware of that. If you start looking for one of the no push or no step stickers and it's marked up wrong, yeah, that's literally the only problem in it. And they're all there still. They're not missing or anything like that. Something else that I think this kit does really well, always gotta love full colour instructions when it comes to your painting. And what they've done as well is with the two greens, they're a very, very similar colour on the actual model, and in the guide they've changed them, so it's really easy to distinguish between the two greens basically, which is fantastic. Another thing that they've done, and I wish more model kits did this, is they've included a colour chart. This is all the Vallejo colours, Mr. Colour, Tamiya, Ammo, AK, Itaka, never heard of them, but this is absolutely fantastic. This has saved me so much time from going around on the internet searching for which colour I'm going to have to get for which one. I had a few of the colours in Tamiya, I had a few of the colours in Vallejo. Boom, put them all on. Job's a good one. Absolutely cracking idea. And if there's any model makers out there watching this video, the one thing you can take home is these. We all end up collecting different colours of different paints over the years, and going on the internet and trying to find one colour to the next colour to match across the brands can be an absolute nightmare. I know it's probably just me actually. Everyone else probably just has one brand that they stick to, but that, absolutely brilliant. Saved me tons of time. For anyone looking to build this model at home, yeah, top notch. Hobby 2000 would definitely build again. Anyway, I hope if you're planning on building this model, that this video sways you to go out and jump in off the deep end. I'm not getting paid by anybody. I haven't built one of these kits in a while, and yeah, the quality on offer from this group I'd never heard of before was absolutely fantastic, and I had a lot of fun putting all of this together. It also comes with 2 decal sets, so yeah, you've got 2 different planes to build, although everything on them is pretty much the same other than white undercarriage and black undercarriage, and then a few minor bits and pieces that are different. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, look after yourselves. Have a good one. Goodbye.